Lights, camera, action. Okay. You're watching Food is Medicine TV, where we help you heal from the root cause. And today we're talking about how to eat your sunscreen with diet and supplements so that you don't get a sunburn. It's summertime, so we want to naturally increase our high antioxidant foods. Having things like red bell pepper, enough vitamin C with your orange and kiwi, the more we bolster our antioxidants, the less likely we are to overreact in the sun. Having your healthy fats, namely coconut oil and fish oil, you can bump those up a little bit more too if you're trying to naturally not get a sunburn this summer. Having adequate amounts of vitamin D in your body is going to be really important. It's a good time, believe it or not, to get your vitamin D levels checked to see if you need to supplement or not. Those with adequate amounts of vitamin D, they tend to burn less. Adding more lycopene, that's a key antioxidant in your body. This one I learned from my friend Katie, the wellness mama. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste a day is enough to do the trick. And then you still need sunscreen, right? But we're not always going to apply and reapply, so I'm just sharing with you the 2 that I use. I use the Beauty Counter water-resistant sunscreen on my face every single day, and on my body I use the Alba 50. I like this one because it has a spray to it. It's done with coconut oil, and it's really easy to use. So there you have it, ways to become more resistant to the sun, to eat your sunscreen, and you still need to use sunscreen, maybe not as much. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Food is Medicine TV.